I like to think about portfolio organization for companies very similarly to organizing a closet. So are you organizing based on audience? Are you organizing based on product? So here are the shoes, here are the skirts, here are the sweaters. Or are you organizing based on need, and that's much more intent-based? Or are you organizing based on life cycle? Portfolio architecture is super important because it helps organize the entire portfolio. But beyond that, it really helps offerings relate to one another. Which one needs to have priority status? And on top of that, you can find gaps in the portfolio. So for instance, if you have everything laid out in front of you and you see that you're doing X, Y, and Z, you can see, well, there's not actually a lot of products within Z. Maybe we can really invest in that and really grow that part of the business. So the first thing to doing portfolio architecture is you start with all the offerings that you have. I really love to take all of the offerings and write them on sticky notes and have each product, each feature, everything that we would offer within a company on those Post-its. Once you have a list of all of the products and offerings, what you would do is you would start to create a taxonomy. A taxonomy is essentially an organizational tool, and it's a hierarchy. So you would be able to denote, this is a product, this is a feature, this is an add-on, and this is an integration. So once you've gotten all of the offerings on the table and you have the taxonomy done, what you want to do is you want to figure out how are you actually going to organize. Do you want to organize based on audience? And AT&T does this. You go to their website and you have personal and business. Apple, on the other hand, has decided to organize based on product. You have your Apple Watch, you have your Apple TV, your iPhone, so it's really product-based. Whatever you decide to organize or whatever principles you decide to organize based on, make sure that it's really consistent and make sure that everyone in the company aligns around it.